Most people think Brigit increases your cash advance limit randomly. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your limit is not based on luck. It is based on how stable and predictable your financial behavior looks to the system. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to increase your Brigit cash advance limit in 2026, using real factors that actually influence your approval amount. Let's start with how Brigit decides your limit. Brigit connects to your bank account and analyzes your income, spending habits, account balance, and financial stability. Based on this data, it assigns a cash advance limit that reflects your risk level and repayment ability. For example, Alex started with a small limit. But over time, as his income became more consistent and his spending more stable, his limit increased automatically. Now here's where most people fail. They assume requesting more money will increase their limit. That is not true. Brigit does not increase limits based on requests. It increases limits based on behavior. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first major factor is consistent income. Brigit wants to see regular deposits from the same source. If your income is unpredictable or varies too much, your limit may stay low. Jake noticed that once his paycheck became more stable, his limit started improving slowly over time. The second factor is account balance stability. If your bank account often drops to zero or goes negative, Brigit sees that as higher risk. Keeping a steady balance helps build trust with the system. In a minute, I'll show you a simple habit that can help improve your limit naturally over time. The third factor is spending behavior. Brigit tracks how you spend money, not just how much you earn. Sudden large purchases or erratic spending patterns can make your account look unstable. But here's the problem. Many users only use Brigit when they are already in financial trouble. That creates a pattern of instability, which can slow down or even reduce limit growth. Now let's talk about a simple strategy that actually works. Using Brigit consistently for budgeting and monitoring your finances helps the system build a clearer picture of your financial habits. Users who actively engage with the app often see better long-term results. Another important tip is avoiding frequent overdrafts. Since Brigit is designed to help prevent overdrafts, repeated overdraft activity can signal financial stress and limit your growth potential. Now here's where it gets interesting. Brigit does not update limits daily. It reviews your financial behavior over time. That means improvements may take days or even weeks to reflect in your account. So let's break it down clearly. To increase your Brigit cash advance limit in 2026, focus on 4 things. Keep a steady income, maintain a stable bank balance, reduce risky spending patterns, and use the app consistently for financial tracking. The key takeaway is simple. Brigit rewards stability, not urgency. The more predictable your financial life looks, the higher your chances of getting a better limit. If this guide helped you understand how it works, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.